Ayan, I want to share about the symptoms of schizophrenia. Ayan. So, ang first daw, unusual or extremely slowed movements. And second, incoherent or disorganized speaking. Number 3, hallucinations, usually related to hearing voices or strange sounds. And number 4, delusions. Ibig sabihin, mayroon siyang false beliefs that remain unchanged despite contradicting evidence. At pang-5, isolating behavior or emotionless facial expression or speech. Okay, that's all. Siguro may kikilala kayo na kagagaya no. Beware.